In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to return SHEIN items from phone. Let's get started. First, launch your SHEIN app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now you can navigate to the Me page. Here you're gonna find this section of My Orders. Click on the option View All. Now here you're gonna find your complete order history. Find the order that contains the item you want to return, and next to it you should see a Return Something option. Tap on it and follow the instructions to submit your return request. Keep in mind that if your order has already been shipped or delivered, you can still request a return, but you must do it within SHEIN's return time limit. If you cannot find your order, tap on Can't Find My Order and use self-service option to search using your tracking number or phone number. You can also contact customer support directly by tapping the customer service icon inside the app. Even though the chat starts with an automated assistant, you can still get connected to a real support agent for further help. After submitting your return request, simply follow the return instructions provided by SHEIN to complete the process and receive a refund. So that's it. This way you are able to return an item on SHEIN. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.